What is up, my friends? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Andjor sports ramp, the Launcher 200. Now this is a pretty cool little inexpensive ramp. So over the winter I saw the sports ramp on Amazon, so I put it on my wish list. It was going for around 70 or 80 bucks over the winter, and just recently I saw a price drop to I think I paid like $60 for it. So that's why I picked it up for 60 bucks. This is an unbelievable ramp, but you can't build this on your own. I mean, for the same cost. It's lightweight. It's made with like several sheets of multi-layer anti-skid wood boards. I feel like it's a high quality ramp. It supports up to 300 pounds, so it can support you and your OneWheel, easily over this ramp. And it's got like a nice grippy finish, and it pretty much comes assembled out of the box. All you have to do is you unhinge the flaps and you slide the front piece in there, and you're ready to go. And it's so light, it's lightweight. And it's good looking, and hey, it's a nice little entry amateur level ramp to get you going started. It's good practice for for those of you that want to practice jumping off curbs, for riding applications in real life. This is perfect, and it's just fun to launch yourself off that ramp at higher speeds. So I'm learning. I had gone to this skate park last year by my house, which has a ramp. It's like 2.5 times, I'd say almost twice as taller than this one. So I had a little confidence when I bought the ramp, but it's a little intimidating for your first couple of jumps when it doesn't look like much. It's a 7-inch in height, but as you're coming up on it at 12-15 miles an hour, you're like, oh, here we go, and it launches you off. So I'm looking forward to some more jumps, and I inspire my kids. They're young, but maybe one day they'll be launching themselves off there. And I've done about 30 launches so far, 30 to 40 launches, and the ramp is held up pretty good. And it does say on the manual they recommend wearing a full-faced helmet. And it's funny how I just did a review on helmets on my channel, but in this video I wasn't wearing a full-face helmet, but it says here on the manual they recommend a full-face helmet. You hit your face on the pavement, that's gonna hurt. The ramp even has little slots in the ramp, so you can weave some fabric and actually just wear it as a backpack and take it with you. So portable. So you throw it on your back and take it to the trails, and who knows, sky's the limit. Literally, launch yourself into the sky, have some fun. But yeah, I've tested this ramp for OneWheels. It can definitely handle the abuse, and it's low cost. Great little way to get yourself started and get a little confidence getting some flight. I'm looking forward for the OneWheel GT. Looking forward for the flight fin company to make flight fins for the GT. I'll probably wind up buying them. I'm just more sure-footed in the air with those flight fins for better landings and for more higher speed landings. I don't trust going too fast off this ramp without flight fins. I just don't. So we'll see going forward. I'm looking forward to more accessories for the OneWheel GT. And I like to cover that on the channel. If you are new here, stick around for more OneWheel GT and e-skateboard content. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.